Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Tortang Talong is a beloved Filipino dish, transforming a simple eggplant into a savory, satisfying omelette. You'll learn just how easy it is to prepare this delicious meal right in your own kitchen. It's fantastic for any time of day, offering a unique blend of smoky flavor and fluffy egg. This humble yet incredibly flavorful dish is sure to become a new favorite for you and your family. The first crucial step is to roast your eggplant, either over an open flame on your stove or under a hot broiler. You'll want it to be beautifully charred and very soft, which creates that incredible smoky depth. Let it cool just enough to handle, then gently peel off the skin, ensuring the tender, flavorful flesh remains whole. This careful preparation is key to a perfect Tortang Talong. Now, let's prepare the savory egg batter that will coat our roasted eggplant. Whisk 2 or 3 fresh eggs in a shallow bowl, adding a good pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper for seasoning. You can even stir in a touch of soy sauce or some finely minced garlic for an extra layer of flavor. This simple, well-seasoned mixture forms the delicious base of our omelette. It's time to cook our Tortang Talong. Heat a shallow frying pan over medium heat with just enough cooking oil to coat the bottom. Dip 1 roasted eggplant into your whisked egg mixture, gently pressing it down with a fork to flatten and fully coat it. Carefully transfer it to the hot pan and fry until both sides are beautifully golden brown and the egg is completely set. Your delicious Tortang Talong is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately, hot off the pan, preferably with a generous helping of warm steamed white rice. It tastes fantastic with a side of classic banana ketchup or a simple dipping sauce of soy sauce and calamansi. This comforting and incredibly flavorful dish truly shows how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly special and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.